Harley Davidson Softail will not crank refers to when the crankshaft will not turn so as to start the engine. In other words, not only will a Softail engine not start, but it won't even attempt to turn over. This video is going to detail the causes to why a Harley Softail will not crank over. Keep in mind that this information is specific to carburetor models, but much of it applies to fuel injection models too. Before we cover the different reasons why the Harley Softail will not crank, I strongly recommend you download the factory repair manual if you plan to service or repair your own motorcycle. The download Softail repair manual will show you how to fix everything we discuss in this video. In fact, it contains the same repair information dealer technicians and shop mechanics use to fix, overhaul, maintain, and troubleshoot your motorcycle. To download a repair manual instantly, you can go to 911manual.com. So for example, just go to the website and then click on where it says motorcycle manuals. And then just find the repair manual that you need and download it. Okay, so there are 13 reasons that would cause the engine not to crank. It could be an ignition switch turned off, a faulty ignition switch, engine run switch is in the off position, a defective engine run switch, a loose or corroded starter and battery cables, a discharged or defective battery, a defective starter motor, a defective starter solenoid, a defective starter shaft pinion gear, slipping or overrunning clutch assembly, a seized piston, seized crankshaft bearings, or a broken connecting rod. Anyway, what we covered are the main reasons why the Harley Softail will not crank. I hope you found this helpful, and don't forget to download the repair manual, as you should never work on your motorcycle without a repair manual handy. Plus, the repair manual will show you how to fix everything we discussed.